scoop. So yeah, Sun Warrior. Try this chicken out. Sorry guys. The lighting, is it too bright? You can hear me, yeah? How do I do this? I'm such a newbie, it's like my first video. It's my face. You like this? I mean, I know it looks pretty bland. I'm gonna put in some sauce. If you're Asian like me, some Maggi on the eggs. Because we do love us some Maggi. I'm trying to like put this into my face and eat at the same time. Okay. Better? It's kind of like smoked, so it's not that plain. There's some flavor to it. Broccoli, so I'm trying to eat this raw, and at first I didn't like I hated vegetables when I was a kid, but now it's not bad. It's really crunchy, the textures. It's like 100% raw. Protein though, I heard there's lots of protein in a broccoli and carbs. You know, I thought like I'm not having carbs, but there's carbs. So today was a pretty non-eventful day. Didn't do anything that much. Woke up late because I was helping my mom bake some cakes. Woke up at like 2, and then, you know, it's one of those days where you wake up and you go to the gym, buy some stuff, and then you come back and here I am. Sorry, I keep moving this thing around. I'm gonna get used to this. So I went to the gym, did some arms and some legs, did a good hour. Usually would do like 2 hours, but hey, at least I worked out, right? like kind of like something like that. So I reckon my first mukbang would be a healthy mukbang. Just let me know in the comments what you want to see me eat, because you know I can eat a lot of things. I'm a big eater. I want to know where everyone is from. You could comment down below where you're from. Healthy though, right? Raw broccolis. You try this chicken. We should go on the straight. I like that. Peppery flavor. I wonder how many protein there is. Sorry if I'm talking with my mouth full. I know I should really just finish eating before talking. Our light's too bright? Like, it's, I don't know. My ring light's just right there. So today, every time I go out from my house, because I live in like a gated, gated area, there's always a guard right in front. Always like this guard, because there will be two guards at nighttime. The guard, he's totally cool. Like he always, does his job right. I don't have to wait, for like a while. But this guard at daytime, he always want to wait, like, or he would always ask, where's your card, but you're a guard, you should really open the door for me, let me out, let me in. But I know we all have a spare card, but you're there, you know? Why don't you just press the button and let me out? It's like he wanted to like speak to me or something, or I don't know. Like he, it's like just open the door, you know. Like don't wait and ask me if I have the card when you can just be there and let me out. Yeah, I heard there's like the most protein. Like broccoli is the most protein in a vegetable. Mm. Hmm. This cat is so old, you know. A few years since uni when I was in England. Oh god, the uni times. Time is such a weird concept. It's like the people you know and you met. It's like they those times isn't was it even real? I mean, the memories were real, but now it's like I don't know anyone anymore. You know? So I finished my egg whites. I'm getting a bit full. I need to go. Let's try this broccoli. Where's the camera? Yeah? This doesn't focus. Okay. Next time I'll change cameras. It's like a basic one. I try to avoid the skin. It's really chewy, the texture. Delicious broccoli. So let me know down in the comments what kind of healthy food you eat, after you work out, or anything, like even if it's in your daily, you know, every day, what you eat. Oh, not healthy, I mean, I love me some donuts, some pizza, some pasta, carbs and all that. I'll do another eating show when I just eat like crap on cheat days, but right now I'm trying to eat clean. Broccoli. Looks like a tree. Like a tree. Put it down. I think I'm pretty full on the meat. Usually I would gag, as a kid eating vegetables like this, but I guess I'm all grown up. I mean, I just got coffee. I'm just starting to drink coffee now. Before I was like, oh, like it's so bitter, like how can someone eat that? Look at my late bloomer. I think I'm pretty full. Still got some, meat left, some chicken, but leave that for a bit later. It was so good eating with you. Let me know next time what you want to see me eat, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.